His second question is concerning a mas'ala which is known as al-masbuqu fi salat al-jama'ah. When you enter the masjid or join the jama'ah later, where they have already started, so they prayed 1 rak'ah or 2 or 3, what are you going to do? How are you going to manage the remaining rak'ahs? We all know that you're going to make them up, but in which order? Are you going to pray in the same order as you started or the same order as the imam started? What difference does it make? I'll tell you the difference. If you pray in your order, when you say Allahu Akbar, that is your first rak'ah. It doesn't matter whether it was second, third, or fourth of the imam, because this is your first rak'ah. So if you prayed with the imam, the second rak'ah, which means you missed the first rak'ah only. So the imam recited al-Fatiha and recited the surah out loud. You joined the imam. He made tashahhud and he got up to the third rak'ah. The third rak'ah for the imam is your second rak'ah. So even though you recite on your own, you recite al-Fatiha, and if you have a chance to recite the sunnah ayat, or an ayah or a short surah after, recite it. Because this is your second rak'ah. Understand? What about if I join the imam in the last 2 rak'ahs? So the imam was reciting quietly in Isha, for instance. So I recite al-Fatiha in the first rak'ah, it's my first. It's the third of the imam. My first rak'ah, I recite al-Fatiha and maybe Qul Huwallahu Ahad. Second rak'ah, my second. It is the fourth for the imam. I recite al-Fatiha, Qul A'udhu bi Rabbil Falaq. Then when the imam concludes his prayer and says Assalamu alaikum, I get up and I resume my prayer, my third and fourth rak'ah. That is the opinion of the vast majority of the fuqaha. Imam Shafi'i, Imam Malik, Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, and that is the correct view based on the sound hadith which is collected by Imam Bukhari. فَمَا أَدْرَكْتُمْ فَصَلُّوا وَمَا فَاتَكُمْ فَأَتِمُّوا. Whenever you join the imam in any rak'ah, just join in, ruku', sujood, whatever. And then when he finishes,